Welcome to the viral news spin. Dear viewers, food banks in London says they have a shortage of basic items because shoppers are stockpiling as fears grow over the spread of coronavirus. On the other hand, supermarkets are urging shoppers not to buy more than they need amid concern over coronavirus-linked stockpiling. London Food Bank says the likes of pasta and rice are hard to get. A food bank in Bedfordshire has warned stockpiling will hit the vulnerable. In Coventry, one food bank said supplies have never been so low, and in Billingham donations have dropped considerably in recent days. The North Paddington Food Bank in London said its donations were down by 25%, meaning it had to spend an additional £200 per week to top up supplies. But manager James Quayle said finding supplies has been difficult. The items we are trying to purchase may not be available from supermarkets, he said. We've been hit quite hard by it, to be honest. Mr. Makwana said they have struggled to buy staple items from their normal outlets as supermarkets ran out of these cheaper items. The families we support simply can't afford to panic buy and hoard food. They're already knocking on our door in search of basic supplies, he said. Like NPF, Sufru is also looking at running a delivery-only service in order to protect volunteers from cross-contamination. We want to provide a service, but we're struggling on so many fronts, he added. The Felix Project in Enfield, London, which collects just-in-date and surplus food from supermarkets and restaurants to distribute to 330 charities and schools, said its warehouses were now short. Everyone is scaling back and we've seen a significant drop. It is worrying, Damien Conrad said. The Oasis project in Plymouth is almost empty and has seen a run on its meat, fruit juices and tinned tomatoes. Eunice Holiday said, if more people self-isolate and only get statutory sick pay, that's likely to lead to an increase in people needing the food bank. On the other hand, in a joint letter, UK retailers have reminded customers to be considerate in their shopping, so that others are not left without much needed items. There is enough for everyone if we all work together, it adds. It comes after some shops began rationing the sales of certain products to avoid them selling out completely. In the letter, the retailers say online and click and collect services are at full capacity and staff and suppliers are working day and night to keep the nation fed. The retailers say they are working closely with government and suppliers to make more deliveries to stores so that shelves are well stocked. On the other hand, the poverty reveals. A child is going to face a new war of coronavirus in Afghanistan. A child is able to make masks to prevent himself from coronavirus in Afghanistan. For more informational, educational and historical videos, please subscribe The Viral News Spin and press the bell button. Thanks.